Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we're doing something a bit different, but still familiar. A while ago, I purchased a Zoom H4n Pro portable recorder and have used it successfully to capture ambient sounds in some of the small towns I've filmed. However, I've had a few issues with how I've been using it. In this video, I'll try to solve those problems without creating new ones. What I want is to record ambient sound while shooting video. I know technically I could use my camera's microphone, but honestly the sound quality is terrible. This is unavoidable due to the small size of the microphone. It just can't capture great audio. That's where the H4n comes in. The problem I run into is time. I have to shoot video, set down the camera, record sound, pick up the camera, and repeat. This adds a lot of time to the shooting process. We've also tried having my wife hold the recorder, but she likes to explore the towns and visit cool shops, so it's hard to match the sound with the footage. My goal is to mount the recorder on my video rig, so I can record both sound and video simultaneously in the same location. This video we'll test that setup and answer some questions. Will unwanted noises like the gimbal motors or me handling the rig make the sound unusable? Is there a dead spot because of where the recorder is mounted? Is this going to make my video rig too big and unstable? If everything works like I hope, all the audio from this point forward in the video will be from the Zoom H4n Pro. But I'm going to stop talking now so you can hear what I came up with. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.